My name is Akshay. I am a master's graduate holder in food production management. I have 13 years of experience in food processing. In GMG, I am the director of operations for 2 sites that comprise of 6 manufacturing lines. I oversee procurement, production, maintenance, quality control, and R&D for the group. We are a global conglomerate headquartered in UAE. We operate in 13 countries and we host more than 12,000 employees in our group. We operate in multiple business units such as sports, everyday goods. So, everyday goods is a farm to fork concept. We source, manufacture, distribute, and retail. We operate our own pharmacies and we operate our own schools, which comes in the ventures category. So, as a food processor, we want to be recognized for our food safety standards globally and not just for this region. And for that, we wanted to adhere to the most stringent food safety practices, and that motivated us to go for the BRCGS certification. So it creates an alignment in terms of operational mindset. Right from a lower tier, which is a production worker, to the director of operations, all of us function under the mindset of producing a product that is safe for human consumption. That has only been possible because of the certification. Since the inception of the factory, we have been blessed with a very strong quality team who is well trained in all sort of food safety management systems. So I can comfortably say that we had no issues in implementing food safety management systems across the group. With GMG, we partner only with the best of best, and SGS has a fantastic reputation globally for being one of the best certification bodies, and that prompted us to partner with SGS. The stringency that they apply in auditing methods and auditing processes that actually trained our internal audit team, and we act like an SGS auditor ourselves when we do mock audits in our facility. Well, the certification has helped us put some internal SOPs that we practice on daily basis. And with continuous practice, now these SOPs are safe to say they are streamlined, which not only improved our production efficiencies, but also reduce in quality losses and reduce our quality complaints from our consumers.